Raceway for the Supernats event. Meet Jace down there, and hopefully we get to see some good action. Righto guys, we finally got into Winton. The weather's absolutely spot on. You couldn't ask for a better day. It's 8:30 and there's already some cars out and about on the track, so let's go up close and personal and get a look at them. Getting ready to get out on the track. Just thought I'd give you a bit of a rundown on today and what we're about. We're here at Supernats to get our name out there and come have a look at the cars and the audience and have a bit of fun. Basically what's on today is pretty much what Tuff Spreaders will bring you guys, and more often. So everyone's waited a long time for an event like this, but I think we'll have that many going that we won't be short of events like this, and you'll be able to enjoy a lot more throughout the year. Jace has got the VL out today. First time out. He got it tuned yesterday. Looking forward to getting that out. There's a heap of cars. I think there was about 270 cars entering today. Get out on the track, get a bit of footage, do a few skids, and have a mad day. Let's have a chat to Jace before he blows some sets. So Jace,
all motors.
So Jace, we've finally got the VL tuned and ready to run.
Yeah, boy. So I was down at Bentonellas and just running out of fuel, but we managed to keep it safe-ish for today at 14 psi. Creeps up to 20. And it makes about 320 real kilo on the 85. So we're going to take it out, have some fun, sussing out the event here.
The question is, does it dose?
It doses real nice. I think it's Limmy figure here.
Bit different to drifting, although we might be drifting.
We'll see what she can do.
We'll call it skating.
That's it.
Bit different. And rip! Yeah! I love it!
Concentration is real.
Question is,
isn't that pink? Make sure that RB stays in there.
Keep those rods where they belong, mate. This is a bit of a rare sight for some. Jason Ferrum, pro drifter, keep it reef. Semi-slicks?
If I can do, mate.
What do you mean?
If I can do, mate.
What do you mean, slicks? Let's get some roll racing happening.
What just getting shot?
Not enough power, come on. We've got a 1-tonner. Don't know what's in it, but we'll see how we go. See what the semis do.
Roll to 40 is the first current. Send it to the last current. No loss of traction or you disqualify.
First win down.
Yeah, boy.
Pretty sure he was baking tyres, but that's all. First go at roll racing. Jace won the first run. Then we got told we couldn't film it with a handheld device, so lucky we didn't, because we probably raced the fastest car out there and got chopped. But we did all right. We got a bit of wheel spin this time around. Probably check the tyre pressures and maybe do a bit better next time. That's good fun anyway. All about mint pursuiters. All rigid ditch. Stoppers are off. I think the plates say otherwise. Nice red trim. Bench seat. Got a sneaky B&M in there. What else but an LS Turbo? We're back out on the track for a bit of a cruise and a bit of a skate. It's been a couple of hours since we've been out now, so the car's cooled down nicely and we'll get some action now. Enjoy. Enjoy. Oh yeah. This is my
I like those light wheels.
Going for the crowd.
We'll just eat that, and have a bit more boost, we'll just love it. Never enough boost. Tired.
Don't get greedy now, come on.
Come on now, come on now, come on.
So I found a friend along the way in the entry of Winton. Good old Rory. Rory's here to tag team and take over from me.
Let's do it.
So it's Rory's first vlog for Tuff Streeters. He's going to finish off the Arvo with Jace in the car, go do a bit of roll racing and get some action. Smell some rubber.
Alright guys, just heading down the back section of the track. Check out the burnouts. So that's a wrap down at Winton for the Supernats We're actually back down here end of April next year for our event, Locked and Loaded. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Make sure you jump on our website, check out our current giveaway, or yeah, you should follow our new YouTube, get around it. We're gonna have plenty of content like this, all tough street cars. Grab a sticker off our website, get around it, boys.
Yep.